All right, business owners thinking about migrating your store to Magento? Here's what you need to know so you don't get blindsided. First, Magento migration isn't just flipping a switch. It's about moving all your store's data, products, customers, orders, to a new home without losing anything along the way. You'll go through a few key phases. Phase 1, planning. Decide what you really need to move. Take this chance to clean up your catalog and get rid of outdated info. Next, you prep your current store, back up your data, check for any messy customizations, and make sure everything's in tip-top shape. Then, it's time for the actual migration. This is where the magic, and sometimes headaches, happen. You'll transfer data, configure the new Magento site, and test. Be ready for surprises like data mismatches or broken extensions. After migration, the real work begins. Test your entire store, check out, search, customer accounts. You want to catch bugs before your customers do. And remember, SEO can take a hit, so set up redirects and check your rankings. What can go wrong? Well, downtime, data loss, or unexpected costs. That's why I always recommend working with experts who know Magento inside out. So, prep thoroughly, set aside a little extra budget, and communicate with your customers about the transition. With the right plan, you'll have a smoother migration and a store ready to scale. Good luck.